All right, so for this one, we have the function f of x is equal to 4 times sine of x. And then they graphed it for us. And then it says which statement is true. The function is increasing from 0 to pi. So if I look at my function, they're talking about from here to here, when x goes from 0 to pi, my function is increasing. Well, it is. It's increasing until this point. And then from here, it's decreasing. So value of y is decreasing. So here we're going up, increasing, 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 but now we're decreasing, decreasing. So that one is not true. What's the next one say? The function is increasing from 3 pi over 2 to 2 pi. Well, let's look at that. So from here to here is what we're looking at. So I go, it's increasing, increasing, increasing. That is actually true. And then I reread it. It says which statement, meaning only one statement is true. But let me double check the other statements, okay? So the next one says the function is decreasing from pi to 2 pi. It's decreasing here, decreasing, 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 but from here to here, it's increasing. So that one is false. And then it says the function is increasing on the interval pi over 2 to 2 pi. So from here to here, it's decreasing. No, because if I look at this, I had to think about it. If I go from here, it's decreasing, 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 decreasing for quite some time. But then right here, from here to here, it's increasing. So that one's false. So yeah, the correct answer is B.